Hi everybody, welcome back. I have something really special today. Went ahead and found this great picture, this beach scene. I'll show you right here. And it's actually done by a gentleman by the name of Andrew Shoemaker. Saw that picture and I just loved it. So I went ahead and sent him an email and asked him if it'd be alright if I painted it. And he said, yeah, not a problem. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I want to make sure that this painting is as close to this as possible. So how do you do that? Well, I enjoy drawing, but sometimes when you're drawing, you don't always get the most accurate lines. So in this case, I want it to be as accurate as possible. So if you're doing a commission, headshot, portrait, all that good stuff, sometimes this is actually one of the best procedures. And it's a procedure that a lot of professional artists use. I have never done this before, so this is really interesting for me. I went ahead and grabbed the projector. I got this projector and I've used it for Halloween. It's a few years old. So it's one of those where you go ahead and you put the sheet in front of the window and you have this projector from the back side and it's actually shining on it. I'm going to use that projector, so it's nothing special. This actually at the time says $58 here. I don't even know if I paid that much for it. So anyway, it's a decent system to do the job. So I'm going to use that projector and I'm going to go ahead and trace the outline of this picture. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So again, this is actually Andrew Shoemaker's beach painting or picture. So he's a photographer. He does some phenomenal work. And to me, it was pretty captivating, so I wanted to go ahead and see if I could recreate it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights, turn the projector on, and then we're going to start drawing real fast. So you can't see me now, but this is actually the picture on the canvas. I went ahead and chose a bigger canvas this time, so I wanted to make sure that I did it justice. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start using a piece of charcoal, vine charcoal. We're just going to go ahead and do a basic little outline. And rough in these shapes so we have a very good idea where they should be. I live in California. I think this one is actually in Hawaii, this beach. But I really enjoy beaches. Nothing like hearing the waves crash. A lot of seagulls. Of course, a lot of people having fun. That's probably the biggest reason why I like it. It just brings back some good times. So just going to fill this in, kind of just using the charcoal and filling in the darker areas. This way I can more readily tell the difference between the colored areas and the dark rocks. Okay. Maybe you can see some of this. So let's go ahead and we'll start on the top of the ocean water here. This goes all the way through. Like now's a good time to be doing little puppets. Alright, let's see. Now again, I want to try to make this look more accurate than I normally would. Because it is such a special picture. So I want to try to roughen these shapes here. So when I go to add color, I know where it should be. Right. Rocks. The shimmering water right here. So reflection of the sun. We have the rocks, we have this. I want to get this water coming in. We'll get the curvature of that foam. Now when you're doing this, you can make it as detailed as you want, or you don't have to make it that detailed at all, or you could just draw it on your own. So again, in this case, I wanted to try to make it really accurate, so I wanted to try something that I don't normally do. Now the other benefit is this is significantly faster. Definitely more accurate. I really like the shape of these clouds. Again, I want to do these justice as well. So, just going to do a rough outline here. Lots of great colors too. These sunsets are beautiful. So when I'm done, I'll show Andrew what I did with this picture, and hopefully I did it justice. And I'm trying to do it as accurate as possible, so at least this way he can actually identify that it was originally from his work. Alright, and right through here. A little spot right here in white. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the light on real quick. Now you can see where the drawing actually is. So, alright. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and seal this. That way it actually stays nice and vibrant and the charcoal doesn't rub off. Then I'm going to go ahead and block it in and paint it, and let's see what we can do with it. So I just wanted to offer you this sneak peek. This is what I've gotten so far, and a lot more to come. So stay tuned, press the like button. You can do comments too. So the comments and the like buttons actually help my video or my channel grow. So it actually allows me to be able to post more videos. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. Big ol' like. And the comments, if you guys do have any comments pertaining to art, it doesn't have to pertain to this, but if it pertains to art and anything you think I could help you with, definitely leave me a comment. I'll be more than glad to help you. And keep in touch. I will be posting this how-to video, the full tutorial on how I actually achieved all this and more, because there is more to come in probably next week or so. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for taking the time. And continue with your art, continue drawing, continue painting, and we'll see you again soon.